Ah, man, I don't think I ordered the right wheel specs for my Vossens for the front of the car. That's why we have to get some wheel spacers. Alright guys, so as you know, my front Vossens, I did a test fit on them and they are slightly tucking in. And I had to order some wheel spacers. These are 10 millimeter H&R's hub-centric wheel spacers that I'm going to use on the front of the GSF. The reason for it is because my buddy and good friend Diego Vossen, shout out brother, his Instagram is at Diego Vossen. He was running all of his Vossen wheels and they have a very aggressive setup and they actually are very flush with the fender. I'm going to post some pictures here so you could check it out. As you could see, his front wheels are pretty nicely flushed, aligned with the car. Even my stock ones are tucking and I have 15 millimeter spacers here. So the reason I got these 10 millimeters is because the offset on my Vossens now is 9.5 ET32. Okay, he was running 9.5 ET23 and he was like, man, I could probably do another 2-3 mils out, push out more. So with this 10 millimeter setup, I'm going to be ET22. So very similar to what he has, 1 millimeter slightly more. So it should sit pretty dang flush. And I'm super excited to get these on. I know you guys keep asking, when are the Vossens going on? When are they going on? Well, today is Thursday. On Saturday, I have my dyno day. And hopefully after the dyno day, I could come back and throw the Vossen wheels on. I probably will not adjust height that day. I'll just throw the wheels on, drive it as is for a day or two, and measure out all the adjustments I need to make to lower, raise the car, and we'll go from there. So make sure you subscribe for that one because that one is coming very soon, guys. See you on the next one. Take